Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A73 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then open connections. And here go to mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on mobile hotspot. And if you would like to set a password, click on mobile hotspot and click on password and click on security, and here select WPA to personal and set a password of your choice with minimum 8 characters. I don't need any password because I am going to only show a demo to you. So for easy connection, I don't need to set a password. Okay, so I don't want. Okay, so after setting up your password, in case you set password, after set your password, go to home screen, then go to your TV. Go to your TV and select settings of TV. Okay, search settings and select it and click on additional settings here and click on network and internet and click on turn on Wi-Fi here. Okay, and you will get the mobile hotspot that you have created in your phone. Okay, that is displaying here Galaxy A73. Just click on it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home. Search Google Home and click on install Google Home app. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. You should have active internet connection for download this app. Okay, also to screen mirror you need active internet connection. Okay, yes, it is installing. Just wait. Yes, after installing, open Google Home app and click on get started. Click next, give permission and select email ID here and click OK and click next and give permission and click next and give permission. Now it is important step. Don't turn on Wi-Fi. If you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? Your already created mobile hotspot will be disconnected and connection between your TV and phone will be lost. Okay, so don't do it and instead just to close this Google Home app and again open Google Home app. Okay, and it will do the magic now. And go to devices here and click on Android TV. Android TV is the TV signal here. Just click it and now click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now, and your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See, so what is displaying in my phone screen, there is also displaying in my TV. If you would like to adjust the volume, you can use this bar. If you move it in the clockwise direction, volume will be increasing. If you move it in the anti-clockwise direction, volume will be decreasing. And if you open anything in your phone, that will be displaying in your TV too. Okay, so in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A74 with any Android TV. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.